In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Pay Now button label in Shopify checkout. This is a simple customization that can make your checkout feel more on brand and clearer for your customers. Maybe you'd prefer to say complete purchase, place order, or something that better fits your store's tone. I'll walk you through each step inside your Shopify admin so you can update this text quickly and safely. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin page where you manage everything in your store: products, orders, customers, and of course your online store design. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Online Store and click on it. This will open the area where your themes are managed. Here you'll see your current theme listed at the top, usually marked as your current theme. Next to the Customize or Edit Theme button for your current theme, look for a small icon with 3 dots. This is a More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down of additional theme options. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Default Theme Content. This is where all the text used in your theme is stored, including labels, buttons, form fields, and messages. We'll use this area to change the wording of the Pay Now button. Once the theme content page opens, you'll see a search bar or a small search icon, usually in the top right corner. Click the search icon to activate the search field so you can quickly find the exact text you want to change. In that search bar, type Pay Now and press Enter. Shopify will filter all the theme text and show you any fields that contain Pay Now. Look for the field titled Pay Now button label. This is the specific text that controls what shows on the checkout button. In the Pay Now button label field, delete the existing text and type in your new button text. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented. For example, you might use complete order or confirm payment, depending on your brand voice. Once you're happy with the new label, go to the top or bottom of the page and click on Save. This will apply the change to your live theme. To double-check, go through a test checkout on your store and confirm that the button now displays your new label.